If you're new and watching this video, please go ahead and subscribe. Here goes some woofer flex. Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video. On the road again, but you know, on top of that, you know, we got a unusual setup to bring you guys. You know, three 12s, one different one, two Planet Audio Mofos 12s, and one P2 Rockford Fosgate in one box. I mean, he didn't have it that much up on a video itself though, so you might not be able to tell as much, but it's definitely pounds super hard. I mean, it's a great candidate for, you know, for a bump off, which we might have very, very soon. Once I get my stuff straight, once he get his stuff straight, you know, then we'll have a bump off. He's got a Tahoe, 2002 or 2003 Tahoe, and it's very nice looking. It's similar to the Tahoe that was on the first ever bump off. You know, so I hope you guys like that, man. As far as the problems with the Jeep, you know, I just got to make a better ground. I need to just get like a real hard bristle brush, or you know, like a brush that you can add on to the end of your drill, and then I just go ahead and, you know, make that spot real better though. But yeah, the ground needs to be better, and I do got a couple of screws up in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I got a couple of better screws for the ground, so we'll do that. And I still gotta fix the speaker too also, so I might just go ahead and put the patch on there tonight and just let it dry for a little while. Let it dry for like 2 days. So like I said, it's a work in progress with my system in this truck, you know, and I still need to hook up the 4-channel amp, by the way. I shut the system down again, so you know, like I'm gonna be safe a little bit and just wait, you know, and get this thing straight. I know you guys be wanting a demo and stuff. I know you be wanting to hear some music on the channel, but we gotta make sure we safe to play. You feel me? All right, let's go ahead and check out this video.
They scared to come outside. Tell them, boy, stay out the way. Tell them ain't nobody safe. Put it in their face. Yeah, they scared to come outside. Niggas know it's every 90 days. Yeah. Hurts, it ain't no mercy, that's just how we made it. You heard that church up in my... I told God he gotta forgive me how many times, tired of the rain on my night. I clean this blood up. Can you feel my knees?
back. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you all enjoyed that. Ladies and gentlemen. But, it went hard, man. It went hard. If you haven't already, join the D.I.Y game group on Facebook. And I know, guys, I haven't really posted much on there myself, but I will be posting a lot on there. I will be doing live videos and stuff, Q&As, and plus I'm gonna do live videos on YouTube too. We gonna go ahead and try that. I just want to have a good subject to do for you guys, so if you do have any ideas on what to do the live on, please state it up in there. I do need help sometime. Man, that's just about it. Yeah, and plus he got like a 2,000 watt Audiopipe amp in there, and that's a powerful amp, man. Seriously, I didn't even know that amp was that damn powerful. But those Mofos go hard, man. Now P2, maybe I couldn't say that much. Like, in my opinion, like what I probably would do if I was him, I probably just get a box for 212s and put those Mofos in there and just get rid of that P2. That'd probably be what I do. I mean, it's good to have 3 subwoofers though, but if he can get another Mofo and put it up in there, man, I feel, ooh, I wouldn't probably battle him, man, because them Mofos sound more powerful than I thought they were. But I still would battle him. What I'm talking about, like, a battle is a battle, like, whoever wins, whoever loses. It's just a video at the end of the day. We do things on here to have entertainment for you guys. And I'm pretty sure all you guys can vouch for that. But far as the Jeep itself, and plus I have like another major engine problem under there though, but it's gonna be taken care of by the place I brought it from. They're gonna take care of it for free. Like, I have the Jeep is under warranty, so if anything mechanical goes wrong with it, it'll be able to get fixed. Yeah, that's it, man. If you guys have a way or know a way that I can kind of do the big 3 in this Jeep, please give me input. I know how to do the big 3. I just want to know what is an easy way to get to the alternator, if I can just go ahead and put that wire on the alternator. Or I just might have to pay the professionals to do that big 3. I'm definitely going to need it eventually, because I got too much power. So, like, having so much power like this does take a effect on your engine. The wires are very, very little, so that means all the power that's coming out, of the amp, it's going to be going up into those little, 6 gauge, 8 gauge power wires. So, yeah, I need the big 3 done eventually. The 4-channel amp, I got that all figured out. I just need to go ahead and do it. But I will pick a day to do it, and you definitely will see it on a video. All right, I think I covered everything, man. Again, I think I covered everything. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you do, smash that like button. If you're new and love car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.